Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys a very quick and easy, probably under 5 minutes, heatless beach waves. So yeah, let's just get started. So first thing you want to do is brush out your hair, make sure there's no tangles whatsoever. And you want to make sure that the roots are not so damp. Part this hair in two sections, equal sections. Once it's parted, brush it out. And then for this section, I'm going to separate it in two sections. Make sure it's pretty even. And I'm going to do like the normal, braid, I guess. And you want to make sure it's pretty tight. I'm going to just leave some sections at the bottom so it looks more natural when you wake up in the morning. I'm going to just secure this with a black elastic band. Secure it tightly, doesn't fall out of place. And there we go, it's this braid. And now we're going to repeat the same thing on the other strand of hair. And then now what you want to do is kind of just spread the top part, only the top part of the braid. Kind of spread it out with your finger and make it wider with your finger. And the next step, if you have side parts like I do, I would just separate the sections in maybe three pretty even sections. Does not have to be perfect, but make sure it's pretty even. And just take the first section. So when you're done with all of the sections, what you're gonna do is twist the two together, like so. Looks like this. For this one, you're gonna just simply do like a loose, simple braid. There we go. I would recommend sleeping in them, but it's really up to you. So it probably takes about 8 or 9 hours, but I don't know yet. Especially when you have thick hair like me, so I'll just experiment with it. And I'll see you guys in the morning then. Bye. Good morning, everyone. So it's about 6:45 in the morning. I probably slept for 12 hours-ish, but don't quote me on that because I'm not very sure. I didn't really count. So I'm just start taking out the braids right now, and let's just see how it looks. So there we go. This is what the results is gonna look like. My hair is still that teeny tiny bit damp, so I should probably sleep for
I should probably left it in for 13 hours or maybe if you don't have that much hair at all, just go for like 8 hours or something. But I do have a lot of hair, so let's apply some texture paste. This is the Garnier Fructis Surf Hair Texture Paste. I'm gonna just get some on my fingers, my whole head, this much maybe, and rub it in between palm, and then I'm just gonna kind of grab sections and run it through my hair. I'm just gonna kind of run it through my hair. And I'm gonna scrunch my hair. I'm gonna kind of scrunch the top so there's, you know, more volume. There you go, there's your Heatless beach waves. I hope you guys like this video, and I better go because I'm gonna be late for school. So I'll talk to you guys later.